Hello everybody, got a video here on how to adjust your deck on a riding mower. All of them pretty much basically the same, but on this Murray it may be different than what yours is, but it's all basically the same. And you can level these. They got a tool from Oregon that you can get, and it's part number 42095. And there's other brands of these you can get too, but this is the one I've got. I think it was right around $8 or $10, so not too bad. Or you can do the same thing with a tape measure, but I find it's easier to use one of these. But you want to make sure you got that. Some brands recommend you do it at a certain setting on your mower, but I found out that if you do it around setting 3 or 4 or 5, it should be okay. You want to make sure your tires are all inflated to the proper pressure, and that it's not setting on anything and you're on level ground or on preferably a cement slab or garage floor. And you start off go up under the deck. You'll want to make sure where you're doing it at there's no grass build up or anything, or that the deck's not bent. And as you can see, the setting on this here looks like 3 3/8, and you want them all to be within 1/8 of an inch of each other. So you want them to do the side like that. You want to come around, do the front, and you probably won't get a view of this very good. But it's way off on the front. So this one's definitely gonna need leveled up. And you come around on this side and check it also, and make sure there's nothing under there. And you do the same, and this side's off too. So basically, to adjust these, there is a nut up here that you tighten it up to raise the deck front up, or you'd loosen it to let it down some. And on the sides, there should be a spot where you can adjust them at here. I'll see if I can get a view of it. But you can't really see on this one where you got to do it. But there's usually up underneath, there's a little bolt that you can adjust, loosen them up and raise it up and down. Or there's a threaded rod like you can do. But it's basically all the same. If you have your owner's manual, it should kind of show you also. But this tool helps out a lot when you're doing it. Like I said, $8 or $10 off eBay or Amazon, either one, and you can use it. So don't forget to like my videos, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you'd like to see more videos like this. And have a great day, everybody. Bye.